today I will be showing you how to play on a saxophone, and today the song is going to be Bingo. First I'm going to do it slow, then I'm going to start doing it faster. Now I'm playing normal speed. Now I'm gonna try do it super fast. When it's fast, it sometimes makes it worse because you don't have enough time to put your fingers on the right place. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like this song, you can go to the end of the video and see this note. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe.
There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh.